3 healthy anti-aging skin care tips. What happened this morning when you climbed out of bed and found yourself looking at all the wrinkles lining your face? Did you think, oh my gosh, not only do I feel old, but I look old? This doesn't have to be such a rude shock when you apply the following anti-aging skin care tips. 1. Drink plenty of water. Were you aware that one of the most harmful things you can do to your skin is failing to drink enough water? This one thing can quickly begin to age your skin. The drier you are under the surface of your skin, the more damage it does to the top layer of your skin. One of the first things you will notice, without proper hydration, is the wrinkles on your hands and arms. You will also notice the dryness in and around your elbows and heels. In addition, you will see a dramatic increase in the wrinkles on your face. It's never too late to slow down this process and begin to heal the damage already done. Even if you don't like water, force yourself to consume at least 64 ounces of water a day. 2. Vitamin C and E will reduce skin aging. As you continue to age, there are certain environmental pollutions which play havoc with your skin. Such as cigarette smoke, harsh chemicals, plant herbicides, air pollution, and others. It's true, it takes years for these things to work on the surface of your skin. However, as they work on you, they break down the living cells in your body, which causes major problems under the skin. This damage affects the collagen and the elasticity of your skin. This in turn will cause your skin to droop and produce more wrinkles. You should avoid situations where you are exposed to these problems as much as possible. But you can significantly reduce the damage by getting plenty of vitamin E and C. The best way to do that is to eat foods high in those vitamins, or at least supplement your diet with vitamin E and C capsules. 3. Stay out of the sun. Overexposure to sunlight will do an astonishing amount of damage to your skin. A deeply tanned young body looks great and sexy. However, as you age, sun-damaged skin will begin to look like a wrinkled mess of leather. This doesn't mean you can't get outside and enjoy the outdoors. It means you have to use common sense about sun exposure. You can use a sunscreen to reduce the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet rays. If you do that, make sure you check the time to determine how long it is effective. Most sunscreens begin to lose their protective ability once exposed to the air and body chemicals. Therefore, you should be sure to reapply the sunscreen to maintain proper protection. One other side note about sun-damaged skin you need to be aware of is skin damaged by the sun's ultraviolet rays causes skin cancer. What you may not know is that skin cancer is one of the deadliest forms of cancer. It is second only to lung cancer in cancer-caused deaths. As you can see, there is nothing radical about the 3 tips. Drink plenty of water, avoid situations which expose you to environmental pollutants, and protect yourself against the deadly ultraviolet rays of the sun. You will be pleasantly surprised how your skin will appear when you use common sense and these 3 healthy anti-aging skin care tips. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.